We are a pretty high-tech society, but still chalkboards, what we used to call a blackboard, whiteboards, are used in class training and presentation situations. So what's the most productive way to use a chalkboard? I found this fascinating list at the site of U.S. Department of Transportation. These are the U.S. federal guidelines, if you will, to use chalkboard efficiently. I found it very interesting. The first guideline, keep the chalkboard clean. Second, erase all irrelevant material. Third, keep chalk erasers, cleaning cloth, rulers, and other aids readily available to avoid interruption of the presentation. 4. Organize and practice chalkboard presentation in advance. And I would say try to turn your back to the audience as little as possible. If possible, write sideways by keeping your front looking at the audience. And write and draw large enough so everyone can see in the group. Do not overcrowd the chalkboard. Leave a margin around the material and sufficient space between lines of copy. Present material briefly and simply. If necessary, use rulers, compass, and other devices to draw figures. Use colored chalk for emphasis. Underline statements for emphasis. Use a pointer when discussing chalkboard materials. And as I said, stand to the side of the material when presenting so the whole entire class can have an unobstructed view. So if you are still using a chalkboard in your classroom, here are some US federal guidelines for you. Happy teaching!